morning, students, and welcome back. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to solve worksheet of Science 1, lesson number 7, lenses. Write down your name, division, roll number, and today's date on worksheet. Question number 1 is select the correct option and write only the alphabet corresponding to the correct option. First one, inside water and air bubbles behaves dash. Option A, like a flat plate. Option B, like a concave lens. Option C, like a convex lens. Option D, like a concave mirror. Answer is option D, like a concave mirror. Second one, the image formed by concave lens is always dash. Option A, virtual and erect. Option B, real and erect. Option C, virtual and inverted. Option D, real and inverted. Answer is option A, virtual and erect. The image formed by concave lens is always virtual and erect. Third one, a convex lens forms a virtual image of an object placed dash. Option A, at infinity. Option B, at the distance of 2f from the lens. Option C, at a distance f from the lens. Option D, between the principal focus and the optical center of the lens. Answer is option D, between the principal focus and the optical center of the lens. Fourth one, when an object is placed at 2f1 of a convex lens, its image is formed dash. Option A, at f1. Option B, at 2f2. Option C, beyond 2f2. Option D, on the same side as the object. Answer is option B, at 2f2. Fifth one, to obtain an image of the same size as that of an object with the help of convex lens, the object should be placed dash. Option A, at infinity. Option B, beyond f1. Option C, between f1 and 2f1. Option D, at 2f1. Answer is option D, at 2f1. Sixth one, when an object is placed at any finite distance from concave lens, the image formed dash. Option A, between f1 and 2f1. Option B, beyond 2f1. Option C, at f1. Option D, between f1 and O. Answer is option D, between f1 and O, that is on the same side as the object. Question number 2, find the odd one out and give reason. First one, myopia, presbyopia, hypermetropia, spectrometer. Answer is spectrometer because it is an instrument. Others are defect of vision. Second one, presbyopia, retina, nearsightedness, farsightedness. Answer is retina because it is a part of the eye. Others are defects of vision. Third one, planets, stars, satellites, rainbow. Answer is rainbow because others are celestial bodies. Question number 3. By observing the correlation in the first pair, complete the second pair. First one, nearsightedness, elongated eyeball, farsightedness, dash. Answer is flattened eyeball. Second one, convex lens, converging, concave lens, dash. Answer is diverging. Third one, focal length, the meter, power of lens, dash. Answer is diopter. Fourth one, iris, pupil, ciliary muscles, dash. Answer is eye lens. Fifth one, cinema, persistence of vision, rainbow, dash. Answer is refraction, dispersion and internal reflection of light. Question number 4. Say true or false. First one, power of lens is given as P is equal to 1 upon F. The formula of power is 1 upon F. So therefore the given statement is true. Write down true. Second one, a concave lens is a converging lens. The given statement is false because the concave lens is a diverging lens. So write down false. Question number 3. The focal length of a concave lens is negative. The given statement is true. Write down true. Fourth one, a convex lens is used in a simple microscope. The given statement is true. Fifth one, the principal focus of a convex lens is virtual. The given statement is false because the principal focus of convex lens is real. Complete your worksheet in neat and clean handwriting. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.